In the box, 6-foot Amazon Basics Lightning cable and welcome guide. Ultra fast charge. When used with an 18W or higher USB-C wall charger with power delivery, you can charge your iPhone to 50% battery in just 30 minutes. Supported models include iPhone 8, 8 Plus, X, XS, XR, XS Max, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12 Mini, 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, iPads, and more. Certified chipset. Apple MFI certified charging and syncing cable for your Apple devices with improved chipset to ensure full compatibility. High-speed data transfer, up to 480 megabits per second for transferring music, movies, and more in seconds. Durable design. Built with top-rated materials and tested to withstand up to 10,000 bend cycles and features textured grooves on connector ends for improved grip. Top reviews from the United States. Great cable at a good price. Sister liked getting this cable as a gift for charging her iPad, and I liked giving it to her for much less than Apple's prices. We're both happy with this Amazon Basics product.